Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing a collar for cats. I accidentally dropped it. Well, we got it back there. So now we're going to unbox it. I'm using something here to hold my phone while unboxing it, so let's do it. Don't mind this. These are just what it is in different languages. You might know these languages, but I don't know Spanish and English. You might not know if you only can speak English. By the way, don't know how I'm going to unbox this. I think I'm going to need scissors. Well, I think I'm going to need to use a pencil. Why is it so hard? Like bull. Now. Right, so I got a gingerbread wobber, whatever it is. We got a gingerbread wobber. So let's hope for the best. Doesn't work. What else will work? Well, don't know what this thing is. It's kind of a bit dark there. I'm going to turn on my own lights. There we go, much better. Wait, what time is it? Okay. Think I got asked someone to open this. Right, so I think I got record in the front room. By the way, there it is. I got record in the front room because someone is going to do the laundry and put the laundry in there. Right, so now we're going to try this on my cats. Okay, Bellum. Oh, and she's running away. Great. Right, after a knockdown, it's now the time to put it on her. Sorry, Bellum, but I'm just, oh my gosh, I need something. Well, I think I have to stop recording for a second. Alright, I don't know what she's doing with the color right now, but she went crazy. What are you doing? What's happening? Are you okay with it? forget to like and subscribe.